Hello, kindergartners. We are going to continue with our math chapter 1, numbers to 5. Yesterday, we worked on the numbers 1 and 2. Today, we are going to work on the number 3. All right, remember our learning targets. I can count and write numbers to 5, and then later this week in small group, we are going to work on I can compare numbers to 5. All right, here was our number 1. We practiced that yesterday. Do you remember that poem? Make a straight line down, then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. And then we worked on number 2, and the poem was around and back across the railroad track. 2, 2. And now today, we are going to work on the number 3. So listen to the poem first. Around a tree, that's the way to make a 3. Let's get our fingers, our pretend pencil or writing tool, and let's skywrite together the number 3 and say the poem. Are you ready? Around the tree, that is the way we make a 3. All right, watch Mrs. Martin. She's going to go around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. I will show you with my marker. I'm going to start right here at the top, and I'm going to go around the tree. There we go. All right, let's try it some more. Let's go to our next slide. We are going to practice writing number 3, so you need your paper and a pencil, something to write with, and we're going to practice a little bit together. So again, watch Mrs. Martin. Around the tree. Oops. That's what erasers are for, right? It's kind of hard for me when I'm doing it on the computer like this. I'm usually a much neater writer than this. But I'll keep trying. I'm not going to give up. There we go. All right. Now, let's practice together. Remember, you can be practicing all of your numbers at home, but today I want you to work really hard on the number 3. There you go. Go ahead and try it. Watch me if you need me. Around the tree. There you go. The more practice you do in the writing, the better you will get. But remember, you can also practice with skywriting. It is really important to try it first with the skywriting and get your body into it, and you will then remember better how to write the number 3. There we go. All right, you're going to continue practicing today the number 3 on Seesaw. I also want you to notice down here the number 3 on the dice. This is what it looks like. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, and it goes at an angle. It's, boys and girls, when we start playing dice games, it is important that you know what these numbers look like because it will help you add faster and easier. Also, do you remember what this was called? This is called the 10 frame. Do you remember why it is called the 10 frame? Because it has 10 squares, and it helps us learn to count faster and better. So today in my 10 frame, I am showing the number 3. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now, I thought we could do a little counting with my bear here. Let's count out 3 bears together. Okay, will you help me? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's try counting 2 bears. Are you ready? 1, 2. Very good. Boys and girls, it's important for you to practice counting with with objects. So you can count anything in your house, or you can use some type of manipulative like cereal or pennies. You can count. Also on Mrs. Martin's slideshow, there are virtual manipulatives on there, bears like mine, that you can count with. But there's other things too. So please, besides practicing writing your numbers, I want you to practice counting. All right, you are so smart and knowledgeable and a mathematician today. Remember to complete the activity on Seesaw for the number 3. There's 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'll see you soon.